Hi everyone, my name is Shreyang Siddharth and welcome to my course Android Drawables and Images. I have several years of experience in mobile application development and have published over 20 Android courses at Pluralsight. Adding graphics to your application is one of the simplest but most sophisticated tasks for every Android developer. You should add graphics to enhance your application UI, but at the same time, you should make sure those graphics doesn't slow down your application performance. In this course, we are going to talk about rendering graphics on the screen using Drawables in Android. Some of the major topics that we will cover include introduction to Drawables and how they are used to render images on screen, exploring most commonly used Drawables like raster Drawables and vector Drawables, generating application icons that can be used in notifications, action bar, tabs, and as launcher icons, using graphic tools like Image Asset Studio and Vector Asset Studio to generate graphics. And finally, we will take a look at a few other important drawables such as 9-patch drawables, stateless drawables, and also the drawables related to animations and transitions. By the end of this course, you will understand how to efficiently render graphics on screen using Drawables in Android. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with using Android Studio, creating and running Android application on emulator, and basics of Android layouts. So I hope you will join me on this journey to explore the world of Drawables and images in Android only at Pluralsight.